Hi guys, here's the video I promised you from the vocabulary. We're going to start on the vocabulary for lesson 1. So I've written the vocabulary words up here, and I've added some of the vocabulary that I gave you as additional words. And some of you, because I teach 3 classes, sometimes I teach an extra vocabulary word or 2 that you may not have learned. So this is a good way to learn it for you for class, so that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with vocabulary. It's kind of in alphabetical order, and then I added the additional vocabulary at the end. So the first sign is again or repeat. Again or repeat. So I'm right hand dominant, so my dominant hand is the one that's moving. The next one is the color black. Again, the color black. Black. The color blue is a waving bee. Blue. Remember in the video, Byron does blue and purple up here, but we tend to do it down here, blue. The next color is brown. It's a B going down the side of your face, brown. And I taught you tan was a T also going down. Tan is a tanning out in the sun, or tan the color. The next sign is color. Color touches the bottom of your chin, color. The next sign is continue, continue. Continue, again, continue. The next sign is favorite or prefer or taste, and it's the sensitive hand shape on the bottom of the chin. Taste or favorite or prefer. The next one is follow, follow. The next one is give, and I showed you 2 different hand shapes for give. I showed you the double X for give. Give, we often use this like a present because it looks like the corners of the box. Also, it's for present or give. Or we have our hands like this and we say give, give, and that's directional. You can give it to me or I give it to you. The next one was go, and it's directional from which direction you're going. Go or go. The next one's the color green. It's a G, a waving G for green. The next one is help, help. Help, help. The next one is know, K-N-O-W, I know it. It's supposed to be a bent hand on the top of our head for know, but often people sign it down here or over here. I know, or know. Little, we mime little, like a little bit. Me or I, we just point to ourselves. Me or I, just point to ourselves. My shows possession, so it's an open palm. That's mine. It's yours. It's mine. The next one is name. It's a double tap. W's, double tap, name. The next one is understand. Again, it starts at the top of the head and the light bulb comes off. I understand. Often people will sign it down here, just so you know. Sometimes you'll see it here. Understand, or I don't understand. Or I understand, or I understand. The next one is the color and the fruit orange. We squeeze it like we're squeezing orange juice in our mouth, orange. The next one is pay, the dominant hand's paying. That's directional, you can pay me, or I'm gonna pay you, or I'm gonna pay everybody. Pay. The next is the color pink. We do the letter P, and this part touches the bottom of our lip. Again, if you don't like the germs, you can just pretend and be a little bit away from it. Pink. Make sure this bottom finger is the one that's touching your lip. Pink. The next color is purple. It's purple. Purple. Remember, up and down is pepper, like you're shaking pepper from the shaker. Purple is this way. The next color is red, and it's on the lip again. It's with this pointer finger, red. Sometimes you'll see people do it with an R, red. We just tend to do it this way, but you will see people signing red. The next sign is slow, slow, slow. The next sign is support, support. Support. It's directional too. I'm going to support you or you support me. The next sign is teach. I take the information from my head and bring it out, teach. And if I add this, that's agent, the agent sign for teacher. Teach, person, teacher, teacher. And sometimes you'll see people do it this way, teacher. Really, the information is supposed to be coming from our head, but sometimes people do it this way, just so you know. The next sign is learn. It's supposed to come from the book and go into our head. It's information we're learning. Often people will sign it this way, learn, and it doesn't go all the way to their head, so just be aware of that. If you add this agent sign at the end, it's student, so it's a learner, learner. Student. The next sign is touch, touch. The next sign is white, 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 as opposed to I showed you the difference in like ends like this, like, and some of you I showed a double like. If you double it, it means interesting. The next sign is yellow. It's a waving Y for yellow. Then the next sign is silver, 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 silver. The next sign is gold, gold. Sometimes they bring it by their ear, maybe pointing to their earring or whatever. They just don't lift it all the way up there. It's also the sign for California. We tend to do our palm kind of out for California, California. The next sign is gray. There's two different signs for gray. It's gray, like our fingers are going through each other, gray, gray. And then the letter G, and we go across our eyebrow. This part of our finger touches our eyebrow, gray or gray. The next sign is play, play. Palms are facing each other, play. And somebody asked me to teach you the sign for coronavirus. And so we sign corona because it looks like the barbs on the virus cell itself. So corona, and then it spreads out. So coronavirus. Some people sign COVID-19, C-O-V-I-D, and 19 is 10 with a 9, 19, or coronavirus. So that's it for lesson 1. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, just be in contact with me. All right, bye.